welcome to our special Diwali celebration video. I am your Jahnavi teacher and today we are going to learn all about Diwali, why we celebrate it, what it signifies and how to save by enjoying it. We will also explore how Diwali can be kind to our environment. Are you ready to have some fun and learn about these amazing festivals? Wow, look at this beautiful lights and decoration. Diwali is a festival of lights and it's celebrated by people of different cultures all around the world. It's time for joy, happiness and togetherness. During Diwali, we light lots of colorful lamps. They are called diyas. They welcome happiness and prosperity into our homes. We also decorate our houses with our beautiful rangoli designs and colorful lanterns. People exchange gifts and sweets with their loved ones. And it's time to yummy food too. We enjoy sweets like laddus and jalebis and burfis. There are also delicious samosas and pakoras. It is feast for our tummies. They make beautiful colors and they are not too loud. Remember, safety first. But we should also remember that some firecrackers can make the air dirty and noisy, and some diyas made of materials that don't break down easily. We should be careful not to harm our planet. To make Diwali kind to our environment, we can use eco-friendly decoration like paper lanterns, and we can choose diyas made of clay that can be easily recycled. We can celebrate without firecrackers. That way our environment will be clean and we can protect our planet. So my little friends, Diwali is time to celebrate love, goodness and happiness. We can enjoy beautiful lights, yummy treats and safe firecrackers while be kind, stay safe and protect our planet. I hope you learned about Diwali today. Now go and share joy with your family and friends and have a wonderful Diwali. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to like and subscribe.